Yes, today I'll be showing you the Sarah's intermediate method for solving the skewb. So which is used by most of the top speed cubers in skewb. So basically first you have to scramble the cube, and if you're watching this video I already assume that you know how to solve a skewb and you are pretty much clear of the concept of solving the first layer. It's really easy. And if you don't know, then I have a video for the beginners method in skewb. So I would first get the basic case. So here's the basic case. When you have this headlight towards the left and center facing you, you do the head slammer. And I probably know what a head slammer means. You know what head slammers means, but luckily we got the middle layer swapping case skip. So I would now show you the sledgehammer case. Do it. Okay. So the sledgehammer case means when the headlight is at the right, you do a sledgehammer. So I would try to show you all the other possible cases which rarely occur, but they take more algs or more time to solve. But as you get, okay, this was the case which I wanted to point out. When you have this kind of shape, these are pointing in and these at the up and centers at the left, then you do a sledge holding at this position, and then these two centers are solved. And when it changes from here to here, there's a headlight like the pointing out like this, should be in the right. Then you do a sledge, and then you get the normal standard case of a hedge or sledge, that depends. So here we get hedge, so we do the hedge. And now how to solve this part. So basically you have to find the centerpiece which has exactly opposite color of the corners. So green is adjacent to red, red is adjacent to blue, but green is definitely opposite to blue, and vice versa. So what you have to do now is hold the cube like this with white and yellow at the respective sides. You do a sledge and a sledge again, and that solves the cube. And you may also have a case where none of the stickers are exactly the different, and this is also a case which I wanted to point out, when the center must be here for a hedge case or here for a sledge case, but they are not both the cases. So what you have to do now is just assume that the center is over here and do a hedge. What this makes is that the corners are oriented, but this is not. So you do a sledge twice and you get this sledgehammer case. So you do sledge once and we again got the same case. As I told you earlier, the red and orange are opposite colors, so you hold it like this, white here and yellow here, sledge and a sledge, that solves the cube. There's also one more case which appears in the last layer. So I'm luckily not getting that. Actually, unluckily. Oops. So that's basically a case where you have all the pieces. Okay, there you go. I got the case where this needs to go up, this needs to go up, and this needs to get swapped, and these two needs to get swapped. And in this case, there's no face which contains the opposite center colors and as compared to the corner colors. So it's just the same method. You just hold any side according to your will and just do a sledge and sledge, as I told you earlier. Now we would have the case which you wanted. That is the most easiest case. There's a sledge and then a sledge, and that solves the cube. So if you have any doubts regarding the method, leave a comment. I would definitely help you out. And if you find the video useful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.